Okay. Hey everyone, today me and the kids were walking outside and we found another turtle. This is a yellow-bellied slider. It's native to the southeast. As you can see, it has a yellow plastron. This is a female. The reason we know it's a female is because she's flat right here on the plastron. A male would be concave. You want to touch her plastron, Melody?
Yeah.
Want to touch her little yellow belly?
It's
a pretty turtle.
It's like a ladybug.
Will, do you know why they call this a slider turtle?
Yes, so it's because they slide on their bellies into the water.
Exactly. They just get on their belly and they just slide on in. Well, kids, we're going to let this turtle go. Let her lay her eggs or whatever she wants to do. These turtles mainly eat plant matter. They eat a lot of algae and plants that grow in ponds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe.